These are memory sticks. That's routers. Okay, what the hell? These are all full-size SD cards. 32, 64, we need a 128. Which they don't appear to have, interestingly enough. You didn't find any SD cards? Apparently Best Buy doesn't have any 128 gig.
Guys, hold on.
Exactly.
Where's Bangkok?
Where's Bangkok?
Thailand.
Yeah. Bangkok is not in China.
He originally said Japan.
No, it's not in Japan either. It's in Thailand.
Idiot.
Anyway.
Where's Canada? That's right.
Where's Alberta?
It's America's hat.
After Best Buy. Evan. Oh, I missed it. Go, Kennedy.
Don't do it. Oh, don't do it.
Today we are apparently showing.
No,
Evan.
not showing. I'm just attempting it.
Evan is attempting to solder a 2-inch copper joint. Yeah, he's just gonna try and do it without any instructions. So we're gonna see how this goes. How you feeling about your chances here?
I'm gonna nail it. All right, let's show them what a proper.
So Brian just did one, Mr. Plumber Guy. That's what a proper solder joint looks like. Nice, clean. It seals inside. So
This one's shitty.
we're gonna see what Mr. Electrician over here can do. Oh, you get that flux in there.
Yeah. Oh, fuck that bad boy. It's a little light. It's really shit. You aren't really putting anything up to this. Flux is supposed to be kind of liquidy. Now give her a good wipe. Wipe off the flux. On a bit. We'll look inside after to tell if it's done. It's true. We'll never be able to do that. For a half-inch joint, use half-inch solder. For a 2-inch joint, use 2-inch solder. You used about 1/8 of an inch of solder. And second of all, here, let me here. No, it won't. Look, on this one, it seals, right? There's no black. You can see there's no black. If you look at yours, there's just a little ring of silver. I bet you I could knock this thing off right now.
No, you couldn't.
Oh, what?
Mr. Big Plumber can't knock off electrician solder?
Okay, let's do this then.
Please don't. Wait, cool it off first.
No, let's cut it open. Solder,
Yeah.
like in there, so it came all the way up.
Yeah, I think mine did.
Allegedly.
Man, I can't wait to show off how good. Can't imagine mine's better.
Now this is Evan's solder.
So if you see, there's no solder.
There's
there.
solder right there.
There's none here, so that means there's a pinhole.
But it's
Yes,
You have to
just
get-
because it's right there. There's also a pinhole in there. They didn't get up to here. There's nothing up here. I'm not trying to chirp you. I'm just saying. If you look at this one, there's solder in there. There's a pinhole there. So
it's equal. It's equal.
So eventually, it's going to leak.
Yeah. So you also.
Oh, you also use no fucking solder.
I was
There's like you can fucking see in between the pipes.
being cheap for the company in these hard economic times.
Go on a Friday night rather than bottle flip. Yeah. Yeah. Going in for some practice rounds.
Correct.
Well,
Put mine in your butt.
This is gonna fucking suck.
man, we suck at this.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Surfaces are probably pretty uneven out here, but if you can get some sick bottle flips, they'll go down in history.
Street cred. Oh god, right. You broke your bottle. No, you broke your bottle. It started leaking.
You know, we're in the age of memes when we're spending our Friday nights literally doing nothing but bottle flipping. Oh no, that was so close.
Father and stuff. It's not like that. We were doing this earlier. How are we not doing that?
Full of like,
We're our friends.
well, going for gold here.
What do you expect that to do?
What do you
So
expect
close.
that to do? Here, lad. Go for the grass here, buddy.
Wait, both of us at the same time. You ready? On.
Ready?
On.
Go. I don't know what they were expecting out of that, but it didn't work.
Wait, don't do anything yet. Haters will
Oh,
say it's
man.
fake.
Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Shit, that was actually really fucking close. So the mosquitoes are really bad, so we're gonna go somewhere where they aren't. So close.
label off. That's pretty fun.
Oh
We're taking
man.
bottle flipping to a whole set level.
No, to the top of like towers, like the same tower and shit. Just huck them.
That first did kill somebody.
Fucking meteor. Right here.
Yeah, I don't have my fucking camera though.
But the sun is like.
I don't have my camera.
No, but if you get like line of solid,
Man,
you get the sun in the background, you set the picture.
look at how photogenic that is.
Mosquito in my eye. Here, I don't know if I should get the picture.
Holy crap.
The inside of my
Those mosquitoes are terrible.
Look at those, they're just.
Ryan, you know what to do. Man.
90 revs. It was like 10 gallons of gas.
Good old VK. So now, we're actually at a skate park. This might work a little better. The surfaces are surfaces are a little more smooth here, so that was a
we can
valiant
jump
first
them.
effort.
Guys, we can jump them.
We can do like parkour. We can do like parkour bottle flips. Ready? First one. First try. Never mind. Man, that was dope.
Haters will say it's fake.
It's because it was.
That fucking video.
I feel like this is like probably an easy place to start.
Too short for this shit. What's the Tyler the Creator at?
Oh, that was cool. Oh god, it's.
Shit balls.
Oh no, fuck, that was so close. How the hell do people do this?
We've done it a couple times.
Oh, I was
I
close.
feel like the ones we do are like way too easy for them. That didn't work.
That was, I literally completely missed there. Okay, we're just gonna try one flat on the ground. I literally dropped it.
Drop it, you dumbass.
I'm trying this one. Oh my god, that one flips so much easier.
Alright. Stand there, I'm gonna flip it over your head. Ready?
Man, we're so bad at this. This is actually a lot harder than it seems. Especially outside. I don't know why. And yeah. Wow, that was so good.
Oh shit! Oh,
What? What?
did you get that?
I don't know. You were saying like, are you ready? I'm like, oh shit, I have to switch the camera. So mad. I got that just as it landed. Like, what the hell? I swear that was not fake. Don't worry. Damn it.
Why the fuck did you get that one? Fuck!
You said, are you ready? Then you just did it.
Halfway through throwing it.
Okay. This will be the one. That was not the one.
So we know we can do it.
Yeah, we can.
Fucking stupid.
We just have to not chuck it like halfway across the place.
Why? What do you mean? This is the best way to play.
Hurry up. Ultra flip.
Holy crap, Kai.
That made a cool noise.
Roulette.
Damn it, that would look so cool.
2 perfectly timed shitty throws.
Fuck, Jesus.
Mine almost won.
The mosquitoes are still bad here. What the hell?
Have you been bitten? I have actually. It's getting dark and the fucking mosquitoes are getting really bad. Oh, that didn't work at all.
It's so late. We did this earlier so we can actually
Almost went in the bars.
Shit.
What's that?
It's like we got coffee. When it gets later, it gets worse.
Yeah, I know.
Man. You had like double the chance there.
Yeah, but double the field.
Bottle me. Bottle me, Holmes.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
As a non-skateboarder, I never realized how freaking steep skate park ramps are. Like, holy shit.
Yo, Kai. Ready?
Holy shit, no.
She survived.
Or you gotta go higher.
Oh god. Oh my lord.
Flip. Oh, there she goes.
Holy crap, that
Yeah, keep
definitely
pressing,
exploded. Yep, she's pooched.
Oh, Jesus, look, I'll flip right out. No, don't pour it out. I'm gonna flip it. Ready? Hurry up.
Yo, I'm gonna land some head.
On my head.
On your head.
Okay, this is a terrible idea.
It's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Okay.
We're getting rid of these fucking useless ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay, heads up. Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, that one backwards.
Jesus.
Oh, I'm videoing this.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Landon?
I'll blow it up. Okay, it survived.
Hey, that's litter. You fucking hooligan.
Yeah, because you didn't touch yours in the fucking grass.
Shit!
Bottle crying, goddamn.